Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Currently I'm on a trip around the world with my ride or die, my twin sister Cara and little baby Noah, whose main contribution to the vlog are cute sounds like this one. I've already done a 30-day road trip in the States from San Francisco to Texas, then we camped in Kauai, Hawaii for 2 weeks, which was a mind-blowing experience, and we did a week in Australia between Sydney and the Outback. All of these vlogs are already online if you want to watch them. In this series, I'm taking you along on my travels in Indonesia. We've already spent a week traveling Bali and now we're off to Gili Air, a gem of an island off Lombok and truly one of the best islands I've ever been. Think turquoise waters with vibrant sunsets, drinks on the white sand beach and pure island bliss. In this vlog, we're diving into the best things to do in Gili Air, get ready for horseback riding, snorkeling the stunning east side and touring the entire island by bicycle. Stay tuned! Alrighty.
Good morning.
It is 6 a.m. in the morning and we have a fun activity which is horseback riding, but again we cannot call it horseback riding because they're ponies. So we're going big. Pony riding.
They look pretty big. They should be waiting. Look, there they are waiting. They're right in front of the hotel.
Yours is a big pony car.
Oh, you got a stallion.
Pretty, there they are.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Hallo.
Oh,
Jij deze, ik die? Oh. Hello.
Yes. It's been so far so good.
Well, we're on our ponies. Arjun, Yoda. Morning. Reporting live from Gili Air. Here I am on my pony Yoda.
Yeah.
We're in Gili Air and we're doing sunset horseback riding.
Sunset?
Sorry, sunrise. Anyways, our horses are eager to get somewhere. Apparently they live in the middle of the island and I'm thinking that's where they're heading. But they've got a strong trot, if you will.
A pep in their step, as we say.
But this is fun. I'm enjoying it. I mean, I am going western because it's just easy.
I mean, yeah, but they don't listen to the commands.
So we booked this pony ride through our hotel. The guides were these 2 young guys and they were super fun and friendly. The tour itself cost us around $30 per person and lasted an hour and a half in total. These ponies are most probably used for the buggy business on the island to transport people and other things. And then I think they do the occasional sunrise ride for foreigners, I assume. There aren't any big horses on Gili Air, only ponies. And I've never ridden a pony before actually. And let me tell you, they have a mighty trot. It was actually quite funny. So we basically took a scenic tour along the shore looking at the sunrise and even stopped at a few local spots for pictures. Then we went inland and crossed the island. It was a lot of fun and the guides made it a great experience. So I highly recommend this activity if you're looking for something different to do on the island. Hello.
Hi. So we're going through Bar Central.
Bar Central. There's no one here, yeah. Is that it? Morning. Mensen zullen vast wel denken van deze sukkels. The pace of our horses is picked up because they know the house is near and they're trying to...
The house is nice!
They're trying to ditch our asses ASAP. They didn't really obey to any commands actually, in hindsight. After our ponies trotted us back to the hotel on record speed, we kicked off the morning with a light breakfast and just look at this view. Gili Air really has a way of making every moment feel like paradise, even when it's cloudy like this. Okay, so Christina just told us something, that if you count these, the little sort of leaves on the back, it says exactly how many pieces of mangosteen are in there. So this one has 6 and we're gonna verify. I crack it. Oh yeah. You open it perfectly.
Oh. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Incredible.
Yeah.
Alright, confession, I've become totally addicted to mangosteen. It's officially my breakfast go-to, and if you haven't tried it, try it, and you're welcome for the tip. So once fueled up, we geared up for a bike tour around the island, and biking Gili Air is a must here. Trust me, it's the best way to explore. I also look kinda annoyed here, but I'm really not. That is just my resting face. Jesus.
I'm trying to navigate, huh?
We just rented the bikes, so you can tell. And now we're just gonna explore the island because it's really tiny. So it won't take us long. So we're gonna buy some bathing suits, some stuff, and then in the afternoon we're gonna go snorkeling. Wow, I'm shiny. It's the sunscreen. Bicycling across Gili Air from one side to the other takes about 10 to 15 minutes since the island is very small. It's only around 2 kilometers in diameter. And if you want to bike all the way around the island, it generally takes around 45 minutes to an hour, depending on your pace and any stops you make along the way. The sandy paths can slow things down a bit, but it's a fun, relaxing way to explore the whole island. To rent a bike, it will set you back around 120k for a day per person, which is around $10. Along the way you will encounter so many shops and bars, so definitely stop and browse around a bit. Also, if you're looking to rent a boat to take you around the Gili Islands, there are plenty of tour operators near the harbor area as well. Alright, so Car is trying to arrange a little snorkeling tour. And we're on our bicycles. This is like the main way of transportation. The other way is by horse carts, or rather pony carts, if you will.
In the north.
And yeah, so we're just arranging our snorkeling tour of the Gili Islands, Gili Air, where we're on now, Gili Meno, and then Gili Trawangan. So maybe tomorrow. Where do the people already put down? So at the harbor is where the famous pony-buggies wait for ferries to unload so they can whisk guests off to their hotels. The locals call these little horse-drawn carts Sidomo in Bahasa. Now, if you keep following the shore along the harbor, you'll pass some of the island's most popular beach clubs, and let me tell you, you'll have plenty to pick from. Just a reminder, sunrise is best on the east side and sunset on the west of the island for the perfect golden hour spots. Also, friendly reminder, bring a hat and some sunscreen though. With hardly a breeze, the heat can be intense here, and us Dutchies are not used to these temperatures, 100% sunny days. Like, we honestly grew up in the rain and clouds. For those who've been to the Netherlands, you'll understand. So yeah, at this point I'm sweating and all decor has gone out the window. I got my shirt rolled up and I'm just going with it.
Alright, Ka?
One of the two preferred methods of transportation on the island. One is by pony cart, they say pony from the pony. And the other is by bike. Now, as a Dutch person, I'm offended by these bikes.
What's up?
Woo! Woo, that was close.
You nearly died.
Anyway, so as I was saying, as a Dutch person,
Before you
bikes
nearly
are an
died?
abomination to mankind. Let's be real.
What do you mean, the bikes?
The bikes, yeah, the saddle is too low, the steering is too low. I'm sitting like, oh God, this is where it gets hard.
Yeah, I know. Niet slippen. I might have to get off for this bit. Kijk nou naar deze. You're doing so good, bud.
The saga continues. Cara shops again. Different island, different place, but Cara's always shopping. Did you bless the skirt? Did you bless the money and bless the skirt? There you go. Thank you. Now it was time to do some shopping. There's plenty of small boutiques or local stalls selling cool clothes, accessories, bikinis and sarongs. Some range from very expensive and others are very cheap, so definitely have a look around and stop at a bar for a refreshing drink while you're at it. The island isn't huge, so we had practically circled it by now. We started by cutting through the middle, then following the outer edges back to our hotel to grab Noah and go out for a little last circle around the island. By the way, this is Noah's first time on the back of a bicycle. Noah! Noah, hey! Hi! Uh-oh! As you can tell, the heat was real. I was already sweating, so whilst we picked up Noah, we also changed into our bikinis and sarongs to stay cool. Also, along the way, we noticed these evacuation signs for tsunamis, and it got me thinking, where do people go if this actually happens? Then we also passed by these cute little villages and had some interactions with some livestock.
Moo! These poor guys, they have a rope through their nose. That's so f***ed up. I want to ride my bicycle, I want to ride my bike. So we're biking around again and it is effing hot. It's like, you see how shiny I am, right? Well, half of that is sunscreen. The other half is sweat.
After nearly 2.5 hours of biking, we were done. Between the heat, exercise, and the thirst, it was time to head back to the hotel. Quick heads up, Gili Air is a Muslim island, so when you're in the central areas away from the beaches, be sure to cover up with a sarong out of respect. It's such a welcoming place, and we felt lucky to experience a bit of the local culture up close.
At least
wear a sarong. And I indeed am wearing a sarong. Alrighty, let's go. Look how cute this little street is, guys. So many flowers.
flowers. Well, we've done the impossible.
We got lost on the tiniest island known to mankind. Now we're going the right direction.
Where did we go astray?
Go that way, because I was looking over there. There's an island that's not supposed to be there. I'm supposed to be there.
Okay, well, let's see if we can maneuver our way back.
We eventually did find our way back. We just went the wrong direction on the shore. Our bike tour took us through the island, along the beach, and past charming villages, and after that we were so ready for a dip in the ocean. It was quite hot here, so we needed a refreshment, and guess who joined us on our snorkeling tour? Just a few curious underwater friends. So the east side of Gili Air is definitely snorkeling paradise, and for good reason. This part of the island is known for its clear, calm waters and vibrant coral garden, teeming with colorful fish and unique marine life. Snorkeling here feels like you're stepping into an underwater wonderland, and if you're wondering why we chose the east side, it's because the waters here are the clearest and most protected from strong currents, making it ideal for snorkeling. In fact, many travelers consider Gili Air one of the best spots for snorkeling across the Gili Islands. Gili Trawangan and Gili Meno offer some popular spots, but Gili Air's east side, with its warm, shallow waters and rich biodiversity, really stands out as the ultimate destination for underwater exploration. Plus, it's beginner-friendly and requires no diving certification. Just pop on your snorkel and dive into this natural aquarium. After soaking up the underwater magic, we timed it perfectly to get out just in time for happy hour at our hotel. So of course, it's piña colada time. Nothing beats sipping a cold drink with an ocean view after an epic snorkeling session.
Yeah. Put down your drone fixing moment for a second. Can we tell the people already that you flew the drone into a pole?
So it was happy hour. It wasn't that much different than what's happening now. Happy hour, so we had like 4 strawberry daiquiris each, and then I thought of the brilliant idea, let's drone in the dark. I'm drunk. Alright, this was not my finest moment here. I flew the drone right into this pole, and yes, right in front of a huge crowd. I tried to play it off cool, claiming it flew itself, but let's be real. Cara tried her best to fix it though, but 2 weeks later we all knew how this was gonna end. So yeah, lesson learned, don't drink and drone. It's literally number 3 person that we're calling and nobody's f***ing answering.
Well, so not unexpected. He's up there. I'll call you later now.
It was also decline. Oh. So we needed a little pick-me-up, so we tried calling one of our 1,000 siblings, and all of them screened us except for one. Big love to our one loyal sis, Rafna. And that's a wrap on another vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment, and see you on the next episode. Ciao!